Hello everyone. So how do you check the relationships that you have with your vassals or your subjects? That is pretty easy. You can go into a tab that I will show you, and doing that is very important because that's the difference between you dying in the game and still living and playing very well. All you have to do is to go here in the Realm tab, you click and open. You can also press F2 to open it, and go down here in the subjects. It's the second from the top. You click there, and down here you can see all your subjects and vassals and the relationships that you currently have with them. For example, this one is minus 67, which means that this guy hates me, or 33, which means that he's pretty happy with me. And that is it. That is how you check the relationships that you have, and you find out what are your subjects and vassals in Crusader Kings 3.